So things that we have taken to check the solubility. This one is sugar. We will check. Then this is the soda. This one is haldi, turmeric powder, sugar. All these materials are available at home only. And this one I have taken some mud. And this you can see I have taken lemon juice. And one more thing I will check is this mustard oil. Okay, so let us start our activity. In the first glass I will put some sugar here. Then in the second one I will put some baking soda, and in the third one I will put some sugar. Then in the third one I will put some turmeric powder. Okay, then in the fifth one I will put some mud. As you can see, this one is the mud. Yes, I will put this mud here. Then here I will put lemon juice. Okay, then I will start all these things. So here first one is salt. So I will keep these things away, then it will be visible, properly visible. Okay, so mud also I am keeping here. Now we will see what are the things which are dissolved in water. So first one, it was salt. As you can see, it dissolved properly in water. In the second one I had put some soda. That one also dissolved properly. You can see the water, the color of the water has not changed. And the third one I have put some sugar. So stir it properly and let's see whether it dissolves in water or not. You can see it also, after some time the sugar granules you can see at the bottom, that one will also dissolve in water. And then the third one I have put some turmeric. Now after putting turmeric, the color of the water has changed. Now this one is the mud. As you can see, this is the mud. Okay, so last one I had put lemon juice. So this is lemon juice. And you must be thinking why this big glass is still empty. So we will test the solubility of oil here. We will put some oil. Let us see whether it dissolves in water or not. So I am putting some oil here. So as soon as you are putting oil, you can see some granules. No, now I will stir it. Yeah, okay. So from this experiment you can see that it is also dissolved in water, salt, baking soda and sugar. If you will keep on stirring, this will dissolve in water. This activity you can also try at home. Okay, now here you can see some haldi powder is there. After some time what will happen, the haldi powder will settle down at the bottom of the water. And here you can see mud I had put. After some time that mud will also settle down at the bottom. And here I had put some lemon juice that is dissolved in water. But you can see from the experiment that oil is not dissolved in water, haldi is not dissolved in water, and mud also dissolved in water. No, that settle down at the bottom of the water. So we came to know the solubility of water. These activity also you can also try it at home. Thank you.